I'm not the best with the backhoe. I'm getting better. I'm sure there's better equipment you could use. If I had my old Ford 8N tractor with a box grader on the back, I'm sure it would level out this area a lot faster. But I use what I have right now. This area that I've been working on is where the leach field and the septic system is going to go. The tank will go up by the house, come to a distribution box, and split off into 3 lines. It'll come across here. I don't know exactly how far across. Thinking it's going to come to the end of that log over there is how far I have to go. But it's got to be level this way. I'm pretty sure I can have a slope this way toward where we're standing as long as the lines are level on the ground. Anyways, looks like I've got a high spot. If you can see out there. Got a high spot right there. It's a little low right there. I'm going to drag some of this dirt over there. And maybe drag some of that dirt over there into this low spot. Kind of level that whole area off. Then it kind of dips down over there a little bit. Not too worried about that because I'm pretty sure, I'll measure it out, but I'm pretty sure the leach lines will end right at the end of that log, kind of where my dog's standing, only this way. There's got to be 3 of them that are each 10 foot apart and 10 foot from anything else. We priced out the parts last fall at about $4,000. So to put our own septic system in at $4,000, that's not bad. I got a couple quotes for having somebody do it, and it was about $7,000 to $8,000, so about double the price to have somebody else do it. And that's after I come in and level off this area. They would come in and dig the trenches, dig the ditch, dig the big hole for the septic tank and drop it all in, put it all together, but they wouldn't level off the area for me, so I'd still have to do a lot of work anyways. Just decided to do it all myself. A little bit cheaper, and I'll know exactly where it is and how it's going together. So if there's a problem later, I can fix it. I'm gonna work on this dirt a little more. I'm gonna go over and work on the pad for the house. Pad for the house is up over there. That cone is where the water spigot is. That's about 7 or 8 feet away from the corner of the house. And then it'll be 24 feet wide that way and 48 feet down to basically that other cone over there. So I've got to level off that area a little bit more also. You can see down here, it kind of starts to slope down. Basically just doing a lot of tractor work today. Get these 2 things, these 2 areas leveled off, the one for the house, the one for the leach field. And get this house going. Hopefully be in it by this next winter so we have a little bit more space to live in. So I'll tell you where the crosshairs are and you move the little clip and then we'll go to the other 4 corners and see how level we are. Yeah, but then you have marks all over this stick. This is, I don't know, a little bit easier, less marks. It needs to go down probably about 3 inches. Can you turn it 90 degrees also? It's easier for me to see. Down another inch. Just a tiny bit more, maybe a 1/4 inch. No, that's good. I can work with that. So come over to this other yellow stake over here. Yeah. And we'll see how level all these 4 corners are. I think they were about like 5 or 6 inches off before. That's low by, just try and hold it straight up. It's probably low by like 2.5, 3 inches. Yeah, bring it over to this one over here. That just means I dug it out too far because it was high over there. That was a fun day on the tractor. That was all day on the tractor. Leveling out the leach field for the septic system and then working on the foundation area for the house. Pretty sure the leach field is going to be all right. I remembered the county saying it needed to be level, but my wife's telling me it's supposed to have a little bit of a slope to it. So either way, I think it'll be all right. I'll have to go look at the schematics we drew up, what got approved at the county, and we'll put them in accordingly. But even if we have to have it sloped, we can go down the hill a little bit instead of across. It'll work out. The house still needs a little bit of work over there, where the cone is over there. Still a little bit high. So we're gonna scrape some dirt off that area and try and get some of that light fluffy dirt out of the way. Then we'll go get some form boards and set some form boards up and get some plumbing going, get some other stuff done. Get this house built, hopefully soon. Till next time, guys, go make something.